Hey guys, so I just quickly wanted to share with you my favorite recipe, the Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana copycat recipe. It's an amazing thing to make on Sundays when you're watching football. It's a request. Start cooking our sausage. They did not have the Jimmy John's Italian sausage, so I did have to get the regular, which happens to me quite often. So when this happens, just know that you can buy the regular and you can substitute by adding Italian. You can add your seasoning in at this point, or you can wait until after you drain it. But guys, it is very important. Do not forget this step. Do not forget to drain your sausage meat. If you forget, when you put your sausage meat in your crock pot, your soup will be orange. You do not want your soup to be orange. Okay, now once you've diced up all your potatoes and your onions, go ahead and add them into the crock pot. At this point, I like to start pouring my chicken broth into the crock pot. If I do it any sooner, it just splashes all over and then I just start making even more of a mess, and I don't need any more of a mess. I like to add 4 full tablespoons of the garlic. In this video, you only see me add 1, but I do add 4. And at this point, I do a tablespoon of salt and about a half a tablespoon of pepper. And you can change that to your liking more at the end. Once your soup has cooked a little bit longer, it's more of just a preference thing for most people. Oh my goodness, so the most important part, I almost forgot. The sausage. Go ahead and add your sausage in, and if you need to add some more Italian seasoning to it, you can at this point. Sometimes it comes out a little bit after I drain it, but yeah, it's just whatever you prefer. I like to add a lot. Alright, so go ahead and get your lid on. You're going to cook this baby on high for about 4.5 to 5 hours. And while my soup is cooking, I like to get my kale all washed up and chopped. I like to chop it into a bunch of little tiny pieces because I like lots and lots and lots and lots of kale. The more kale, the better. So your soup's been cooking all day and your potatoes are done. Go ahead and pour your heavy whipping cream into your crock pot and get that all stirred in real good. And now for my favorite part, we add our kale and more kale. Get all those ingredients mixed together nice and good, and you're going to let that set for about 20 minutes before you serve. And after that extra 20 minutes, your soup should have just a little bit more color like mine. And sweet baby Jesus, does it taste like heaven. Okay, here's the test. See if it's hubby approved. Probably really hot.
It looks delicious. Olive Garden Zuppa soup.
Good.